In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deploy your Hugo site on Firebase. Previously, we deployed our website to Netlify. Now here we'll see how we can do this thing on Firebase. So at first we need to check whether our site is ready or not. So here is my site. It has only two pages, the home page and the coupon page. Now I'm going to host this in Firebase. So at first we need to go to Google and then we have to type Firebase. And once we find Firebase, then we have to access that link. So this is the official website of Firebase, which is called firebase.google.com. We just need to click here and very shortly it will be opened like this. Now you need to log in your Firebase account, and once you logged in your Firebase account, you will find like this type of page. So what you need to do, at first you need to click here, go to console, and once you click go to console, you will be looking like this type of page. So here you'll find everything out there. So from here basically we just need to choose create a new Firebase project. We just need to click here and very shortly it will be opened like this, create a project. So you have to type a unique project name. For my case, I'm going to type FewSteps like this, and then I have to press the continue button. Once I press the continue button, then it will give us this option, assistant for your Firebase project. I don't need, so I'm going to disable this thing. Then I'm going to press continue, and then after that again I'm going to disable the analytics because I don't need, I'm not interested to use this. And then we have to press the create project button, and so once we click this create project button, then it will be looking like this. Once the project creation in Firebase is complete, then you will get this type of message, your Firebase project is ready, and you have to press the continue button, and that's it. Now you will be in this type of page. Now it's time to host our website from this Visual Studio Code to here. So I'm going to jump to Visual Studio Code, and here I'm going to type some of the commands. So at first I'm going to cancel this thing by holding Ctrl C, and the first thing I'm going to type on command. Here we just need to type some command for Firebase, which will actually help us to host this thing to over there. The first command is Hugo. At first we need to build it, so I already built. I just did a clean build again. Then I'm going to install npm. I'm going to install the Firebase tool basically. So I'm using like Node.js to install this. So I'm going to use npm command, then install, then -g, that means globally it will install, and Firebase tools. So this command I need to install Firebase tool. So once I type over there, we need to press the enter button to install this tool, and it will start installation globally. So I'm going to maximize this window so that we can check carefully here. So here it is installing. We have to wait till we find the next prompt, and here we see it is installing, something like this. Okay, so here it gave me this type of message, that means it is installed completely. Now we need to log in our Firebase. So I'm going to log in my Firebase by using the command Firebase, then login. This command I need to use to log in Firebase, and once I type it over there, I'm going to hit return key or enter key of my keyboard, and here it's showing like FewSteps.email Gmail. It is already logged in like that, and if your case it is not logged in, then you need to it will open a window where you need to type the password for your Firebase account, and after that you will be in this page. So once you logged in successfully, then it will be like looking like this. Then we have to write one command. Other command is Firebase. Then we have to type init, init. So once we type it, we just need to press return key, and very shortly it will be looking like this. Now here we need to configure a couple of things like data connect, set up a Firebase data connect service. For Hugo, I don't have any database, so I'm not going to choose this option. I'm going to press down the arrow button. So down arrow button, basically fire restore, configure security rules. Still I don't need gen kit. I also don't need function. I also don't need app hosting. I also don't need, I'm not this is not an application, so I'm not going to choose this hosting. This is the thing I'm going to use. So set up deployments for static web page. So Hugo is actually a static website builder, right? Or you can say by using Hugo you can build like HTTP website. So I'm going to choose this option. Other option I don't need. So once I choose this option, we have to press the space bar to select that, and then we have to hit enter key, and very shortly it will ask you these options. Please select an option, use an existing project, create a new project, add Firebase to an existing Google Cloud Platform project, don't set up this thing. So we already created a project, right? So I'm going to choose this option. Again, after selecting it, I'm going to hit return key, and here it will be selected, and here it will give you the list of the projects which is available on your Firebase account. So from here you have to choose the one which you are interested. So I'm going to choose this one, FewSteps, this one, and then I'm going to press the enter key one more time, or return key of my keyboard, and here it is showing what do you want to use as a public directory. So what do you want to use, a public directory? Yes, we have to type Y, or we can hit the return key, it will select automatically. Configure as single page app, here we have to choose no, N, and then it is asking set up automatic builds and deploy with GitHub. I'm going to choose no for this case. I'm not interested for automatic build. And then file public forage already exists override, no. So all of them I just typed no, and then here it is showing file public.index file already exists override. I'm pressing no again, and that's it. Firebase initialization is complete. So it is giving me a message that Firebase initialization is complete. So that means our Firebase project is configured correctly. Now we can actually deploy. So before deploy, we can run one more time the Hugo command, so that it will give me a complete build. And then after that, I am going to type the command Firebase deploy, and then I'm going to hit enter key after typing this thing. So I had a mistake of spelling Firebase. Now it will be okay. So here I tried to run this command, and here it is showing it is trying to do everything, deploying, hosting, and it did everything, and at last it gave me the message deploy complete. And also it gave me the information that I can access this URL to check that. So I'm going to copy this URL, and then I'm going to open this in a browser. So I'm using Safari browser, and then I'm going to hit enter, and very shortly I will see this is my site which is hosted in Firebase, and this is the link FewSteps.web.app. And if we click here, everything is okay. So here it is jumping to other side, right? So we need to fix this thing. So it is going to different domain, because I previously configured with other Netlify domain. That's why it is going to jump over there. So what I'm going to do, I need to fix this thing. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this thing, this URL, and then I'm going to open Visual Studio Code, and I need to jump to this file hugo.eml or eml, this file, and from here we have to change this URL. So right now it is like this. So here we just need to change it with Firebase URL, so like that, and then I have to submit save it. And then after that, again we need to open the terminal, and then here I am going to type Hugo again, and then finally Firebase deploy, and then hit return key. And again it is trying to build everything, and every build is done. When the build is done, basically we can refresh, and we can check that it is updating properly. So I'm going to refresh, and once it is refreshed, then it will be looking like this. Now if we click here, it will be inside this URL. See here, web.app. Okay, so it is working fine, so there is no issue. That's it. And that's it. In this way we can easily deploy our Firebase project and that's it. In this way we can easily deploy our Hugo project to Firebase.